Well, Agent Azul here, like always. Don't mind the construction on my road over here. It's just a little loud. All right, this is a little different, kind of a little scary. This is Hail the Sun. Uh, Crying is only mainly if splinters come out. Okay. Yeah, this is, I don't know about this song. I just happened to see it on my list. I had a bunch of Hail the Sun. I said, why not? So let's just get into it. Check it out. See what it's all about. Let's hope it's good. I also just woke up and I'm tired. Thought I'd just add that last part in there. Alright. A little softer than I would like. I guess it says pow right in the kisser. The remaster to this song. I want better quality for the vocals. 'Cause I like what they're doing, but I feel like they're like almost like away from their mic. I like the like in the beginning. I like the like it felt like I was on a journey with the way he was doing his vocals. He was just kind of changing it up in like a weird way. I liked it. Sickness in his mind. It's changing what he thinks is real.
There's no one to blame but me. I'm the way I hate to be.
it's I don't know. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get like the meaning. Like I did get a lot of it. Like he was saying like the sickness in his mind is distorting what he sees pretty much. So there's a lot to the song. It's kind of hard to get all of it, especially in this style of song, to really kind of hear or understand certain lyrics. But I overall like the song. Is "Hail to the Sun" the one I'm thinking of? That is the Dance Gavin Dance, or is that Secret Band? I think "Hail to the Sun" is something else. Although it sounded familiar. I give the song about a 7. I wouldn't go on the playlist just because maybe the quality of it, I don't know. I feel like the music was a little higher than the vocals, which kind of bothered me a little bit. Because I like the way they were harmonizing in certain areas, and I kind of like what they were doing vocally, but I couldn't get like it wasn't like it's almost like you had the like stereo to mono or whatever. Like you couldn't get that nice crisp sound of the vocals in my ear. It was just kind of lost in this rapid of music, sound, and noise. You know what I mean? And it kind of just all blurred together. I would have liked for more of a crisp, technical side of producing the song. I'm not in any way a professional, but I do know what is and isn't good audio, or what is and isn't clear. You know, this. I mean, if this is like a garage style band of a song, I could get that. You're just playing it loud. You want something to bang to. This kind of bang, not that kind of bang. Is that too graphic for YouTube now? Am I gonna get demonetized? I don't know. Oh, but yeah, like I can see it that way as well. But like I said, I'm not an expert. I can tell the difference between what is that good crisp sound in your ear and what was just kind of produced by somebody somewhere, right? Especially this headset. This set is like it's just not the best. I don't think for like if you know the difference between like a subwoofer and tweeters, right? This is like mostly tweeters. Like this is meant for sound whoring and like Call of Duty, which I didn't really want to buy it. I just needed a new headset. Now that I have a job, I can just buy another one. The old one was a little bit. I think I still have it. A little bit more on the staticky side. Not really static. I think it was more blown, but it had more bass to it too. I've had to get used to listening to music in this headset. It was so different. I'm almost curious to see what it would be like if I took my other headset and hooked it up to my new mix amp and just see if everything was better. I might do that, but it doesn't really change the fact how I feel about the song because I'm used to the headset now and everything. But it was a good song. I don't think I'd really go back and listen to it again. But with that being said, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out. I'll see what everybody I'm doing next. Later, guys.